a restaurant quality duck leg confit at home, ready in 20 minutes. Bonjour, I'm Chef Julien, presenting Oh La La Gourmet Food. And today we're going to cook a very traditional French dish, the duck leg confit. So our duck leg confit, it's already pre-cooked. So what we just need to do is either to roast it in an oven, or today even we're going to use just an air fryer to reheat our duck leg confit. The traditional garnish for duck leg confit is a roast potato with caramelized onion. So we're going to do that also with our air fryer today. So let's start cooking. For that I'm going to place the potato and the onion inside of the dish. So I will just arrange them in order to make sure they can cook properly. Here we go. Then I put the onion, a bit of thyme. Here we go. I will keep the celery or parsley for later on. So here we have, now I'm going to open our duck leg confit. Place the duck leg confit right in the center. So it's important to take a little bit of all the fat of the oil that you have. If you want, you can dip your poach of duck leg confit in a hot water before, or just like 1 minute in a microwave, just to melt a little bit more all that oil and juice. Here we have our nice duck leg confit with a bit of juice and already a bit of fat. So this one, we are going just to process it. So after 20 minutes, we have our beautiful duck leg with some roast potato and some roast onion with it. We just have to put that into our plate and to enjoy a nice traditional French dish, the duck leg confit with roast potato and roast onion. Here you are, a restaurant quality duck leg confit in 20 minutes at home. So as mentioned, you can also cook it in a traditional oven or just as I did, in an air fryer. Thank you for watching. I'm Chef Julien. Don't forget to subscribe, press the little bell, and see you soon with so many more cooking.